goes the Supra, and as you can see in the distance, that's right, FN2 coming in. A very pretty red FN2 in for a power run this Saturday morning. As you can see, it's got Uncle Paul's map on it. Yeah, it's Uncle Paul's map this on the rollers up at TDI North, I believe. And since his map, he's had the oil pump conversion, so and a different intake, I think. So it was on a pipe across, it's now on a standard airbox, and he's had that oil pump conversion. So looking to make some noise today. We're going to run this in map 3, I believe. That's what the customer's asked for. So on the dyno she is, looking very nice. Yes, and we shall see what she makes. Well, there we go. Beautiful red FN2 on the dyno this Saturday morning. And we are ending, well, the power run suggests 290 brake, we'll call that 220, won't we? And 189 at the wheels. Nice motor. Well, there she goes.